Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Stock Chats. Thank you for my new subscribers. Thank you for the support. Thank you for my older subscribers. Thank you for that support too. Remember, this is not investment advice. If you need investment advice, speak to your reputable licensed financial advisor. So now we had an earlier video, I think a couple of months ago, speaking about how the crisis is creating a lot of acquisitions, and the acquisitions are not stopping. I believe I have an older video with Grace Kennedy, the conglomerate international group that is run out of Jamaica, speaking about creating a mergers and acquisition unit to go forth and identify, opportunities to acquire or merge with companies. Well, this week, information flies fast in the financial world, the investment financial world. Well, this week, Grace Kennedy announced two major acquisitions intent. The first one that they did was looking at insurance. They have made the attempt now to acquire Scotia Caribbean's Eastern Caribbean insurance portfolio and business. Now this one, if you were following investments earlier prior to the pandemic, this portfolio was once sought after by Sagicor Financial, which is out of Barbados and Canada, looked to acquire this portfolio when it was first formed. Sagicor Financial is actually, and Alinvest is actually the parent company of Sagicor Jamaica that has the insurance company and bank. So they were looking to acquire this portfolio. However, due to regulations and some challenges from some of the Eastern Caribbean governments, this deal fell through. Now Grace is now looking to acquire this portfolio, which will provide protection for credit line and other insurance areas, including credit cards. Secondly, as you can see on my screen, the second acquisition of the week is 876 Blue Mountain Spring Water, which is a company that they used to distribute through their world brands, and they have found out that it's a company that they believe could be a part of the products that they are now pushing internationally. The chairman and CEO Don Webby spoke about interest in expanding this particular brand not only to Jamaica and the region, but also internationally in the US and the UK, and also to expand the brand to also include flavored waters. Both of these acquisitions are areas where Grace Kennedy has already had some footprints. Grace Kennedy has many insurance companies. They have GK Insurance, Key Insurance. They have a deal with Musan Group, the Canopy Insurance, and a number of others. So insurance is something that is very comfortable and familiar to Grace. And also in regards to the water, they I think about a year and a half ago, they acquired over 35% of Catherine's Peak Water, spring water, which is one that is very popular among the office spaces in Jamaica and in the households because they have those big gallon bottles. So 876 Blue is now the next one in their portfolio, and this one is an alkaline water straight out of the Blue Mountains, and it seems to have gathered a lot of popularity in recent time. The CEO and Chairman Don Webby of Grace Kennedy Group mentioned that he is also interested in reaching into the Mexican market instead of the Caribbean market, and not only that, but also looking at possibly listing Grace Kennedy on a major international stock exchange. The stocks are coming, so it's very busy. International stock exchange, and so this should be interesting. And he's also speaking about they are going to have even more acquisitions. They have over 10 acquisitions in the pipeline, and these are two. And these acquisitions can be in either finance or the food areas, which are the two of the main areas that Grace Kennedy works in. So, being the fact that he wants to list on a major stock exchange, the Grace Kennedy Group, it would look like these acquisitions would help them to increase their market capital, which is a requirement for some of these stock exchange listings requirements, criteria. So that is Grace Kennedy. Grace Kennedy is doing big things in regards to the merger and acquisition area. So is Grace Kennedy a company that you're interested in? Grace Kennedy, due to all of this interest, seem to have gotten investors' interest up. It went from around, I think it was settling at $65, and yesterday it closed at $90. And I'm sure with this new information, other investors may be interested into joining. The PE is also very low. Earnings per share ratio is looking very low also, in that it's around 14.92 at $90. So this company, if you're a value investor, it would seem like this company is one of good value for the current price. So you can share in the comments below if Grace Kennedy is a company that you're interested in. I'm sure some of you may have their products in your home right now. You could even share which one is your favorite and what do you think about the future for this company. Thanks.